Next, we'll learn how to activate your standards so that while you're planning your lessons, you can quickly access any TEKS you may need at any given moment. So you'll notice if you jump right into the drop-down lists here, I'm going to see some loading, maybe some error messages if I try to do this right away, because we have to take one step every time you start a new template to activate your standards. So to do that, let's visit the Activate Standards tab. You can always use these arrows to scroll left and right if you end up with a bunch of tabs. And also the icon with several lines here will bring you to a list of all of the tabs within your sheet. So when I come to the Activate Standards tab, all I have to do is come over to A1. I'll get a blue pop-up that says Allow Access. I'm going to click that and then run away. That is all you ever need to do with the Activate Standards tab. I'm going to go back to it so that I can show you just a little bit about what goes on there to help you better understand your standards selector. So on the Activate Standards tab, by allowing access, you are now importing all of the standards for the courses we teach in Birdville ISD so that you can have access to any standard you need at any given time. There's lots of fancy formulas going on this tab. Again, it is here for you to provide you with the most current list of standards at all times. When you first start a template, you'll go there one time to allow access, and then you are done. Once you've done that, you'll come back to your Select Standards tab. Now I can click a particular department or grade level. Then I can select my particular course. And finally, in the 4 core content areas, your standards will be divided out by unit. You'll always have access to one unit that says All. And then for our subjects that are not the 4 core subject areas, when you get to the unit spot, you'll see just the All unit so that you have immediate access to all of your course's standards. So once you've made that selection, you've now told everywhere throughout your lesson planner where there's a spot to insert a standard, right now you'll have your Unit 1 for 7th grade ELAR available to you. Let me show you how that looks. So in your lesson plan templates, anywhere you see a little arrow, that has a drop-down menu full of standards that you can click and it will automatically populate in your planner. At any time, you can determine what standards are available to you in that drop-down by selecting standards on your Select Standards tab. So you'll notice now I can switch to math. I feel like teaching geometry today, and I'm on Unit 3. So now when I switch to Plan Math, it's my math standards that are available to me. So whether you're midweek and it's time to go grab a new unit, or maybe you're planning multiple subjects, or even being interdisciplinary within one subject area, at any time you can visit your Select Standards tab to make a selection and tell Google what you want available to you behind these drop-down menus. You can even use the built-in Find feature in Google by clicking Control F on your keyboard, and it will bring up the Find menu. Let's say you want to see how many times you've taught 1C. You can go ahead and type that in, and it will show you that you've done it 3 times this 6 weeks and take you straight to every time that you put 1C in your planner. You can close this video now and return to the training where we'll walk you step by step through activating and using your standards. After that, we'll start looking at how to add content into your plans.